Hey guys, today we're diving deep into something so powerful, so mysterious, it could change everything we know about our place in the universe. I'm talking about rogue black holes, dark, drifting monsters in space that have the potential to wipe out entire solar systems, including ours. You've probably heard of black holes before, those invisible space beasts that swallow everything near them. But what happens when one of these black holes goes rogue, wandering aimlessly through the galaxy with no warning? What if one of them is coming toward us right now? Stay with me because this is going to be mind-blowing and a little terrifying. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why rogue black holes are among the universe's deadliest mysteries. What is a black hole? Let's start from the basics. What exactly is a black hole? Imagine a star, way bigger than our sun, running out of fuel at the end of its life. Instead of quietly fading away, it collapses under its own weight, squeezing into a tiny point with gravity so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape. That tiny point is what we call a black hole. Around it, there's an invisible boundary called the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and you're gone forever. Black holes don't just suck in stuff, they warp space and time around them, making them one of the most powerful forces in the universe. They are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, but infinitely stronger, capable of pulling in stars, planets, and even light itself. What makes a rogue black hole different? Now here's where things get even scarier. Most black holes are tied to their home galaxy or star system, but rogue black holes, they don't belong anywhere. These bad boys wander the galaxy alone, drifting through space without a care in the world. Scientists estimate there could be thousands, maybe millions, of rogue black holes floating around the Milky Way. And unlike regular black holes, which are easier to spot because of their effects on nearby stars, rogue black holes can sneak up quietly, almost invisible. Imagine something that's not only massively powerful, but also completely silent and invisible, drifting right into our cosmic neighborhood. What happens if a rogue black hole comes near our solar system? Let's imagine the worst-case scenario. What if a rogue black hole comes close to our solar system? What does that mean for us? First, the gravitational pull of the black hole would start messing with the orbits of our planets. Earth could be thrown off its perfect path around the sun, plunging us into eternal winter or scorching heat, destroying everything we know about life. The sun itself could be pulled in, disrupting the energy source that fuels life on Earth. We'd see strange effects in the sky, stars flickering, planets shifting, maybe even parts of the solar system being ripped apart. And it gets worse. As the black hole moves closer, it could start pulling in asteroids and comets, sending them hurtling towards Earth. The atmosphere would change. Weather patterns would become extreme. Hurricanes, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions would shake the planet in ways we've never seen. Basically, the whole solar system could spiral into chaos, and our only hope would be to watch and survive as best as we can. How do scientists track rogue black holes? You might be wondering, how do we even know rogue black holes exist if they're so hard to see? Well, scientists have some clever tricks. While black holes themselves are invisible, their gravity affects nearby stars and gas clouds. By observing unusual star movements or sudden bursts of X-rays, they can detect the presence of a black hole. Powerful telescopes like NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope help spot these hidden giants. But tracking rogue black holes is still like looking for a needle in a cosmic haystack. These black holes don't emit light. They're silent and dark, making early detection very tricky. That's why they're one of the biggest unknown threats out there. Could a rogue black hole really hit us? So how likely is it that a rogue black hole will come close enough to cause real damage? The truth is, space is huge. The odds are low, but not zero. These black holes move slowly across the galaxy, and our solar system is just one tiny speck among billions of stars. But even if the chances are small, the consequences would be catastrophic if it did happen. That's why scientists take it seriously and constantly monitor the skies for any unusual activity. It's like living near a volcano, not something you expect every day, but always something to be aware of. Now here's the big question. If a rogue black hole did head our way, could we do anything about it? Right now, the answer is no. We don't have the technology to move planets or shield ourselves from such cosmic forces. Our best hope lies in early detection and maybe, far in the future, developing ways to protect or evacuate. But even in the worst-case scenario, humans are incredibly resilient. We adapt, we find solutions, and we fight to survive. Maybe we'll build space colonies or develop technologies that allow us to live beyond Earth. The universe is harsh, but so are we. The emotional truth, our place in the universe. Thinking about rogue black holes and cosmic destruction can be scary. It reminds us how small and fragile we really are in this vast universe, but it also inspires awe. We're part of something much bigger than ourselves, and even though we might be tiny dots in space, our curiosity and spirit are boundless. Facing the unknown, whether it's rogue black holes or other cosmic threats, pushes us to learn, grow, and unite as one humanity. So what do you think? Would you want to know if a rogue black hole was coming our way? How would you prepare? If this video got you thinking about the incredible power of the universe and our place in it, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing space stories, and drop a comment below telling me which part shocked you the most. Remember, understanding the universe is the first step toward protecting ourselves. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep looking up.